We've been at the north end all week at Laura's Family Cottage. We've done a ton of skiing and tubing and wakeboarding, but we haven't been at the south end, and Kate and I today figured we'd shoot down here, see what's happening, drop in some clips from the weeks. This is Torch Lake Sandbar Sunday.
Looks like the same Lady Dog, but it's not.
Never see the Torch Lake Sandbar drop off. I'll show you how crazy it is. So,
Up to here.
all right, so it's up to there. Over her head. Up to my shoulders right here, up to my chin. All right, we're gonna do it in reverse. Here we go. All right. That's so crazy, right?
Yeah. I need my life jacket on. Wait, no. 1 second. Heart.
Beautiful. How was it?
Fast.
Yeah. Torch Lake Sandbar Sunday. Last Sunday in July here, I think, right? You have a good day? docked in for the, well, maybe the week, I don't know. Kate and I are going camping in a few days, so we probably won't be back here, but it's dry dock, but you still have to cover it and stuff. And then they use these forklifts to put them in and take them out.